Long time no see.
Long time no see, man.
Hey, so how are you?
I'm fine. Hey, I heard you got girlfriend, right?
Yeah, my girlfriend girl very nice power class.
Walao. After A levels, 2 years of NS, 4 years of higher education, and you're still like that.
Oi, wait, you say lah. Hey, but wait, talking about A levels, it reminds me of the times back in BJC.
Yeah, I remember when we first came to BJ.
Yeah. I took 135.
Walao, lame lah.
No, but when we first came I remember we were very cool, very stylish.
Yeah, I remember the first time I came to BJ.
Wait. You sure you remember correctly or not? This is how I remembered it.
Hey, what time's the next class, now? When will we be late? I think so.
Oi, thinking again.
Nothing.
Horrible, yeah.
Hey, but what's the first memory that strikes your mind when you think back to BJC?
Apart from the skirts?
No. Then, okay.
Wait, remember? It's simple.
Then what?
Soccer finals lah.
I remember.
Welcome to A Division Soccer Finals of Lion JC and VJC. Firstly, we have the team from VJC. Look at them, tall, strong, and good looking. Yum. Now we have the team from Lion GC. The team from Lion JC. Looks like both teams are ready for the big match. And this is it, the kickoff. Number 24, VJC has the ball. He runs towards the goal. Number 7 from MJC tries to tackle him. And VJC has gone past MJC easily. Oh no, looks like number 7 from MJC is down. What's happening? Oh no, looks like he's giving birth. And the referee here is a red card to Lion JC for delaying the game. Free kick to VJC. Gonna make full use of this kick and bring the trophy home. Number 31 of VJC has the ball. He runs towards the goal. The defenders of Lion JC are waiting for him. Can he get past it? One defender for Lion JC is now. Here
guys really played hard that day, man. Yeah, I really brings back a lot of memories.
Yeah. I remember the moment when Mrs. Chan gave us the full day. Okay, on a serious note, you know the thing about Victorians, right? We play hard, but we definitely work hard.
Yeah, I remember the time, right? DJ had a competition, a mugging competition, with the other DCs.
Yeah, I remember.
Sup, ho? Want to party tonight?
床前明月光，疑是地上霜。天生我材必有用，分数一去不回来。
Yo, please, let me pass my A-level exam. Okay.
If the probability of MJ winning the soccer finals is 1/5 in 2005 and 1/6 in 2006, what is the probability of that happening in 2007? Of course 0 lah. The DJ team so strong.
Those were really good memories.
Yeah, but the most important thing is the friends that we made in PJ, the experiences we went through, the moments we shared together.
Yeah, but don't forget the souvenir we got from Paris and
Yeah, speaking of souvenir, I got a souvenir for you.
Hey, what?
To quench your thirst. Yeah.
Hey, how you know my size?
And here's a message from the Housecomm to the year 2s.
We wish the year 2s
All the best! Alfred?